Hi guys, today we're not playing Roblox again. We are going to play Emoji Cat Maker. If I do this noise or you hear a crunch, just to let you know I'm eating on a lollipop right now. So let's get started. Today maybe I want to make a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, no green. Green.
Turn right onto Imperial Street.
Purple.
Continue for 5 kilometers.
Black eyes. Uh-oh. Oh, right. Can't do it green. No. Yeah, okay. And I also... Ah! What the... Okay. Enough of that. Not saying I don't like it. I just, like, it's, you know what? Forget about it. Anyways, let's color the eye pupil, white. Just like with the other white, and then maybe the other one can be this. Maybe a star. Maybe heart. Maybe this. Maybe this. Oh, so cute. She's like, huh? Cute. I don't want to add hair. Let's add pink for the bow. It's a bow, it's the bow, it's the bow, the bow, the bow. It's the bow, the bow, the bow. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Ta-da! Now we have to save. Here are my before cats. Here is this one. Make it a little bit smaller so we can see. So here we have the cute guy. He can go right up there. Uh-oh. And then this guy, and also this guy, we can make a little bit bigger. See, this is what he looks like. Isn't he so adorable? Anyways, let's just make him a little bigger. So, and then this cute little guy right here. And this is my first one. So this is my, okay, so this is my first one. This is my second. This is my third. This is my fourth. This is my fifth, which is new. I really like it. I think they can be twins. I think they can be together, like, you know what I mean? I mean, together. They look so cute together. Okay, let's make a new one. Let's make a new one. How about this? Okay, I'll just stick with this. Make it orange. Actually, maybe this one's better. Can you take this off? Okay, I just asked my grandmother to help me take off my jacket. But anyways, guys, so let's dress him up. I want him to be in a cat outfit. There's a white cat, a black cat, and an orange cat. Gong Gong, I need your help.
Yes.
So I'm just asking my grandfather for help. So anyways, could you help me decide?
Orange cat.
So there's an orange cat, there's a black cat, there's a white cat. Which one should I choose?
Orange. I like orange.
Okay, good choice. Ooh, this looks nice. Let's just try this. I haven't tried this yet. This? So what is this for? Huh? Oh well. Why is the mouth wrong? I guess I'll choose this one. I don't know why it's wrong, but okay. Wait, so what is this for? Oh, this is so confusing. let's just stick to this one. Now let's do the eyebrows. Let's do this eyebrow. Ooh, what are these? I don't know what they are, so I'm gonna add none of them. So then what is the cat costume for? Why is this game so confusing? Don't I need the other ear? Oh, maybe. This game is so confusing. I'm not even kidding. No. No. I'm just so hard. Yes. I think this one should be okay. Or maybe this one. So then what is the white one for? This game is so ridiculously confusing. Anyways, ooh, I like these. Gong Gong, can you help me choose?
Yes.
Should I do diamonds, hearts, fires, lightnings, or earrings, or stars?
Maybe try diamonds.
Yeah, okay, I think I like that, but I think I like hearts more.
Okay. Or you could do hearts if you like.
So then why is the hearts covering it? Oh my god. See, I told you, this game is ridiculously confusing, man. I don't even know what they're trying to say. And it's literally covering the heart. Oh, okay. Oh, so confusing these days. This game is confusing. Do not play this game. I mean, play this game because it's fun, but do not use the weird ones because oh my god, just look at this. It's so confusing. I don't even know what's happening. Oh, this one's from the inside.
Like I was saying.
What is this? This game is ridiculously confusing. Oh, okay. Blood? I'm not adding blood. How about no? That's. Whoa. Yeah, the cheeks are okay. I think I'm gonna use this one. Finally, we have some parts. What is this? Oh. I'm sweating. I'm so angry. Diamond. Another diamond. Angry hearts. Gong Gong, should I do rainbow diamonds, diamond, or hearts?
Oh, how does a diamond look? Does it look good?
Yeah?
Then you could try rainbow diamonds.
Okay. Anyways, now let's try to do some toppings. I really like the cherry, but I don't like it how it's on the eyes. Maybe we should try, oh, this looks so cute. I want it. I literally want this. I haven't made a boy character, so maybe this will work. No, actually this. It looks cute. It just looks cute in my opinion. Anyways, let's see if they had that cherry we can put on top. No cherry. Okay, do not put this one on. It covers everything. Let's put this cute little flower on. What is this? Oh, more hair. Also more hair. A scarf. I like this. I very much liked scarf. I think we're keeping it. We're literally keeping the scarf. We're gonna keep the scarf. Oh. So what is this? Oh, that one looks creepy. That one kind of matches mine. This one's so cute. This one also cute. This one a little bit scary. This one cute. Cute, 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 cute. I'm losing my voice right now. Cute, cute. Actually, not cute. Cute. Not cute. I mean cute. Hi, I'm Verity. Cute. Not cute. 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 Okay, anyways, let's pick a character. I think if I would have to choose, it would be this one. Okay, no. Oh, we can cover the eyes. This one is nice. I think I want to cover it with a monarch butterfly. Oh gosh. These are just a bunch of angry eyes. Hey, this one kind of looks like Mr. Sun from Sprunky in his face mode. I mean, in, what do you call that? Oh, in his phase 2 mode. Anyways, hi, I'm Verity. Hi, I'm Caddy. Hi, I'm Skull. I think we're gonna do Cat. No, it covers my character. Hi, I'm Verity. Verity is more good. Not gonna lie. Oh, this mod is confusing, but I recommend you play this. It's so cute. If we put 2 drinks, it looks like he's either gonna drink those drinks or share some. So we're just gonna do. Oh, nice! I really like this. Oh, he's covering his mouth. I think. Gong Gong, should I do an opened hand or a peace sign? Peace sign is like this.
On a cat?
Yeah.
Maybe open hand. Too many people use pieces.
Yeah, I always use it in photos for some reason. I just really like it.
Okay. My thing is this. 2 part. We want to do something maybe a little different.
Oh, this one has lipstick.
On a cat.
And you can also remove the hand. So I think we're just gonna let him hold the orange juice. Okay, my cat is ready. my emoji cat. Popo, do you like it?
Oh yeah, nice.
Okay. Now, let's see.
We will arrive at destination in 5 minutes.
Yay! He is so cute. He is like, I think this is my favorite character so far. Now let's make one more.
5 minutes.
Okay, fine, 5 minutes. Whatever that means.
We will be.
Oh, this one looks so cute. But I don't want to do it. Cancel. I don't want to do it. I only like to make emoji cats, not really cats. Even though it's so cute, maybe we should do that in another video. Maybe. Let's do this angry and
啊，呢
sad.
度都未，佢嚟嗰
I
時，
want to do this. Blue, maybe.
喂，靚女，點啊嚟緊啊？
7分鐘。
差唔多，我而家響誒
We're just
嗰度
gonna
諗法
pick
度啊，
random.
冇咯，
Oh no, no, no,
唔使訂
no,
啦，
no, no.
滿咗啊！死啦，佢呼添啊！佢嗰度。
Oh my god, what is happening in the back? It sounds like Elvis and Bella are having a fight. Anyways, what is this? Oh, let's pick the blush. I really like this one. I feel like this one is super cute. Dumb. That's a creepy doll, but okay. No. No! I'm gonna choose Star. Ta-da! He's ready. Ready for adventure. Or maybe a crown. I think I like the crown better. Yippee! They're so cute. I'm not even kidding, he's so cute. He's like adorable. He's adorable. He's so cute. I think they can be friends. Like, they can all be friends. Friends group. But I think the most favorite one for my rating is probably this one. It's just too cute to say no. It's just too cute. I've added a lot of details on this one, so this one's really cute. Anyways, we'll have to end the video here. Bye!